Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Mariam, a product consultant for RouteIQ. I'm excited to guide you through an in-depth demo of RouteIQ, a premium mapping solution designed to transform the way you interact with your Zoho CRM data. In this session, we'll explore how RouteIQ helps you to visualize your records, create intelligent routes, track your field team in real time, and so much more. So, what exactly is RouteIQ for Zoho CRM? Imagine this. You're looking at your Zoho CRM data on a live map, planning perfect routes in seconds, and tracking your team in real time. That is RouteIQ. It's an extension from Zoho Marketplace, which works with Zoho CRM only at the moment. And it can be any edition of Zoho CRM as well. By the end of the session, I'll also show you how to set up and configure RouteIQ within your Zoho CRM. Let's begin with the map visualization part. With RouteIQ, you don't just plan routes, you visualize your entire CRM world. Map-based visualization transforms the way you plan visits and manage prospects. Let's explore the key map visualization tools that make this possible. We have Color View, Map View, Explore, and Near Me feature. Let's discuss the Color View feature in RouteIQ for Zoho CRM. This feature displays your CRM records as color-coded pins on the map based on the specific field in Zoho CRM. If you want to differentiate leads by status or customers by industry, just assign a color and see the respective record in that specific map pin clearly. Moving on to the Map View feature in RouteIQ for Zoho CRM brings RouteIQ to a more contextual location within the module list view in Zoho CRM. For example, if you're supplying medicines to pharmacies in a region, just simply click the Map View button to locate the stores on the map. Then create a delivery route instantly. Now, let's dive in to the Explore feature. Explore lets you to see data from multiple CRM modules at once, layered together on the map. It's perfect for comparing records across different modules, like contacts and maps, contacts and accounts in one visual. Finally, we'll look at the Near Me feature. With this tool, you can find records within a chosen radius of any location. It can be your current location or a point on the map. Whether you're planning to visit or looking for nearby prospects, Near Me has you covered. Now, I'll guide you through these features using my RouteIQ demo account. Let's start with the Color View feature. As you can see over here, I have the doctor's data stored within my contacts module of Zoho CRM. Based on each doctor's specialization, the pins on the map are color-coded. For example, the cardiologists are represented by the red pins, dermatologists by orange, and so on. So, if I'm showing you a better understanding of this particular feature, here I can choose my preferred field that I would like to utilize for the Color View feature. And for each field value, I can provide a color based on my preference. I can either share with myself or with every users within my organization. I can even lock this view so that I can restrict any sorts of changes that can be done by other users. And if you want to find the icon of the Color View, you will be able to find it on the top right corner of the page. You can click onto it, and if you would like to create a new one, tap onto this plus Color View option, and you will be able to create your preferred Color View feature within the integrated module of RouteIQ. Now that we have seen how Color View helps in visualizing data, let's move on to the Map View feature in Zoho CRM. With Map View, you can visualize the records that are currently displayed on your CRM module page. For example, let's apply a filter. So I have created a filter named Denver region, which has nearly 299 records within the module. Tapping on to the Map View button, it will only show the first 1 to 100 records or those on the current page on the map. Additionally, this feature allows you to create a route directly within your Zoho CRM. So I'm just utilizing the lasso tool as of now to select my records. This streamlines the entire process and keeping all your activities within a single platform. With the basics of MapView covered, let's explore how the Explore feature enables you to simultaneously visualize and interact with records from multiple CRM modules. Here, you can see the list of modules that I have selected, and you can distinguish the records from different modules based on the color of the pins. Each module is matched with a unique color based on the checkbox which is in front of the module name. The Go-To option helps you to search and locate a place within your Explore module, and you will be able to explore its surroundings as well. You can choose from your favorite places or enter a complete address in the search bar to explore. Having explored records across different modules, let's shift our focus to the Near Me feature. This feature helps you to find prospects or records within a specified radius of a chosen location. The chosen location can be either your current location or a point selected on the map. So right now, I've chosen my current location, so I can prefer my preferred radius as well. Then, the records coming within that particular radius will be displayed on the map. Let's move on to one of the core functionalities, route planning. There are two methods to plan routes in RouteIQ. First one is manual route planning, and then we have the route distribution feature. Let's take a closer look at the manual route planning. Here, you can choose your prospects from the list view or use a lasso tool or even search for their names using the wizard tool. And based on your requirements, select your preferred options and finally click on the Create option. Once your stops are selected, RouteIQ does the heavy lifting. It optimizes your route based on distance, appointments, and drop-ins. Your team gets the most efficient path, which saves time and fuel. Now, let's discuss the Search Along the Route feature. This feature allows you to identify and access records that are located along any given route. It gives you the flexibility to either create a new route or add the records to an existing one, streamlining your field operations and ensuring that you never miss an important stop. Now, let me take you back to my RouteIQ demo account and walk you through the manual route planning. For instance, if you need to deliver healthcare products to pharmacy stores within a specific region, you can easily create a route by selecting the pharmacy contacts using the lasso tool on the map. So here you have the lasso tool, click onto it and circle the region that you are planning to visit. So we have encircled a specified region. The records coming within this region are all selected from this list view. Now, you can tap on to this Create Route option and you can provide a name based on your preferences. So I'm providing like Test Route. You can change the ownership to any of your preferred users over here. We have two types of route types, the flexible timing and the scheduled timing. Flexible timing means your client provides their convenient timing for a particular date. So for example, Matthew Johan says that he's available on 23rd of September. He can come anytime. We can have a meeting for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is preferred by your client. Whereas if you choose scheduled timing, your client provides their exact available time for a particular date. So you will have to set the appointment timing. For example, Matthew Johan says that he's available from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So you will have to set the time exactly at that particular time. Based on that, RouteIQ will help you to plan the route accordingly. So as of now, we'll choose the flexible timing and you can provide or prefer your start time as well. Then it's a start point and the end point. So either you can choose any of your stops or any of your preferred places that you've added within the favorite places or a point on the map. So I'm going to start my journey from my company, which I've added within the favorite places. And again, I'm going to end it within my company itself. So now what I can do is tap on to this Create option. RouteIQ provides me with the most optimized route on my end. So here, the RouteIQ will optimize it and it has provided you with the most efficient path for your field agents to follow. RouteIQ helps you to efficiently distribute field visits, jobs, and deliveries among your team, thereby removing the need for manual assignments. So, say for example, if you have like 700 pharmacy stores to deliver to and you want to distribute these stops equally among your delivery agents, RouteIQ provides a solution. You can choose the equal distribution type to distribute the stops evenly. There are two more options apart from equal distribution type, which are distance based and shift hours based. Now let's move ahead with the automated route planning feature. This feature eliminates the need for manual route setup by automating the route creation process for your daily deliveries. Now, let's shift our focus to one of the crucial aspects, which is the tracking. Tracking is essential to keep an eye on your field operations and ensure everything is running smoothly. Tracking in RouteIQ offers several key features to help you monitor your field operations effectively. These include route progress tracking, restricted check-in or checkout, mileage and time tracking, and visits tracking. Let's dive into each of these in detail. Let's start with the route progress tracking. This helps the field reps and managers visually track the progress of a route based on the check-ins and checkouts performed by the field agents. Managers gain visibility into the day's route plan, helping them monitor the progress without having to contact the field rep every single time. Next, let's look at the RouteIQ mobile app. The mobile app has the same features as the web version as well, so you can manage everything even from your phone. Let's see how it works on the mobile app. Now, let's take a look at how these features are implemented in the RouteIQ mobile app. As I've shown in the web version, all the integrated modules are available within the mobile app as well. So if you would like to create a route directly from your mobile app, you can utilize any of your preferred options and then tap on to the create route option, and directly from your RouteIQ mobile app, you will be able to create a route. Let's just go to the respective route that we have created earlier. So for that, tap on to the routes module, and within the today's route section, you will be able to find the respective route that you have created. So as a salesperson or a field agent, I'll show you how I will be utilizing my RouteIQ mobile application to complete the respective route that I have been assigned to. I'm going to start my journey from my starting location, which is my company, and to my first destination, which is the cook Allison's place. So for that, I need to know the navigation from my company to my first destination. Tap on to the start option, and this will redirect you to the respective navigation app that you have preferred within your mobile application of RouteIQ. RouteIQ supports 3 types of navigation apps: Google Maps, Apple Maps, and Waze Maps. So I've preferred Google Maps. That's why I have been redirected to this respective application. Now let's assume I've reached my first destination or cook Allison's place. What I need to do is tap on to this check-in option, and I will be checked in to this particular customer's location. So check-in at stop 1 is successful. Now before I check out, let's say if I would like to add some notes or some attachments like photos to this respective client's location, so what I need to do is, I believe beside the checkout option, you can see like a paperclip option. Click on to this paperclip option or attachment option, and it will redirect you to the respective meeting that has been created for this particular stop. So here, I'm within the meetings module record, and if I would like to add a note, click on to this text information and I can add any particular note. Completed stop and save it. Similarly, if you would like to add any sorts of attachments, click on to the plus icon beside the attachments option and you can add any of these right from your RouteIQ application. Now going back to our RouteIQ, I've completed the check-in and the proof of delivery part. Now I need to check out from this particular stop. So for that, tap onto the checkout option and you will be checked out from this particular stop. So this is how your field agent should be able to do the check-in and check-out for the respective stop that they have been assigned to. Moving on, another powerful feature is the restricted check-in or check-out. This feature allows your field agents to check in or check out only when they are located within the allowed radius of the stop's location. This will thereby prevent any sorts of unauthorized check-ins as well. Next, we have the automated check-in or check-out feature. RouteIQ automatically checks agents in or out when they enter or exit a stop's radius, or even notifies them if they need to check in or check out manually. This eliminates the risk of forgetting to check in or out, which saves time for the field agents and keeping everything accurate. Now, let's review the different types of route completion status. RouteIQ tracks the completion status of each route with 3 different categories. Firstly, we have completed route, where all the stops were visited. Secondly, incomplete route, where some of the stops were skipped. And finally, the skipped route, where all the stops were skipped. Next, let's explore the mileage and time tracking. This feature tracks the total distance traveled by a field agent to visit stops on a route. RouteIQ calculates the total mileage, which can be used for mileage reimbursement. It also compares the actual distance to the optimal route to ensure fuel and time efficiency. Additionally, RouteIQ tracks the time spent traveling and meeting leads, helping optimize future schedules. Now let's dive into the visits tracking. This gives you a day-by-day visual of all field visits with actual versus planned times and any sorts of deviations as well. It spots trends and fixes gaps easily. Next, if you want to see where your reps are in real time, and for that, we have the live tracking feature. It will display the contextual states such as traveling, idle, not reachable, misconfigured of the respective reps within the map itself. Now, let's talk about the historical travel route playback. This shows the full travel route of your field agents for any selected day, and you will be able to even see when and where they stop and for how long as well. Any gaps, like when the location tracking was off, are clearly highlighted within this entire route playback as well. RouteIQ integrates with Zoho Expense too. When a route is marked completed or incompleted, an expense is automatically generated within Zoho Expense account, and it will be providing the mileage, the route link, the stop details as a PDF in the respective Zoho Expense account. Next, we have the feature called Create a Record from RouteIQ. This feature allows you to create new records directly from RouteIQ, and this makes it easier to capture and add new data on the go. Now let's talk about the reports and dashboards. Reports in RouteIQ helps you to compare your field team scheduled versus actual visits and can track the key data like time and mileage, helping you to identify any sorts of discrepancies. You can generate these reports in the Zoho CRM reports module. When you access it, you will find a dedicated section for RouteIQ reports on the left-hand side. And from there, you can even customize the reports to meet your specific needs. Moving on to dashboards. Dashboards offer general analytical capabilities, giving you a snapshot of all your field operations. These dashboards can be modified or customized according to your business requirements. Now, let's move on to the setup and configuration process. First, as you can see over here, the installation is the primary step. You will have to install RouteIQ via Zoho Marketplace. Next is the integration step. Integrating RouteIQ with Zoho CRM involves connecting the modules and views of Zoho CRM with RouteIQ. After integration, you can easily visualize your prospects on a map, plan routes to visit them, and even optimize your field operations. So, say for example, if you're planning to meet a doctor at a hospital and the hospital data is stored in the accounts module of Zoho CRM, you will need to integrate the accounts module from your Zoho CRM to your RouteIQ account. This way, the records from the accounts module will be available in your RouteIQ for seamless route planning and visualization. Alright, we have covered the key aspects of RouteIQ for Zoho CRM today. To get started, please visit routeiq.com for more resources and information. If you are interested in learning more about how RouteIQ can help you to optimize your field operations, we invite you to book a demo with us. In this demo, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of the RouteIQ application. Simply use the code displayed on your screen to schedule a session. Thanks again for tuning in. We hope this video gave you valuable insights into how RouteIQ can streamline your processes. If you have any further queries or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. Have a great day.